Give you all a little idea of how to make these turn signals not so bulky on a KZ1000. Anyways, they usually stick out about here. I just cut them off and got a grinder and made it smaller so it fit back in. So now it ain't so bulky and it's more streamlined. I had to put these turn signals back on because I've been going out of state a lot, and it's just a lot safer for me riding when I'm on the road that much. On the front here, no way I can stand them coming out of the headlight. They're just too ugly for me. So I got some from an old Honda. I can't remember the year. I had them for many years. I just put them on. And they fit right on the handlebars there where they tuck in and they don't stick out. And works pretty well. Anyways, I just thought I'd give you all an idea of how to have turn signals not looking so bad on these old dinosaurs. Have a great day.